Let's learn about measuring voltage and current in series and parallel circuits. Let's start with a series circuit. Here we have two resistors R1 and R2 connected in series with a battery. To measure current in a series circuit, we only need one ammeter. Since the current is the same throughout, we place it in series with the circuit. For voltage measurements, we place voltmeters in parallel across each resistor and across the entire circuit. These measurements verify Kirchhoff's voltage law, which states that the total voltage equals the sum of the individual voltage drops. V underscore total equals V1 plus V2. And Kirchhoff's current law is verified since the current is the same throughout. I underscore total equals I1 equals I2. Now, let's look at a parallel circuit. Here we have two resistors R1 and R2 connected in parallel with a battery. In a parallel circuit, we need three ammeters, one to measure the total current and one for each branch current. For voltage, we only need voltmeters across each resistor, which will show equal voltage drops. These measurements verify Kirchhoff's voltage law, which states that the voltage is the same across parallel branches. V underscore total equals V1 equals V2. And Kirchhoff's current law is verified since the total current equals the sum of the branch currents. I underscore total equals I1 plus I2. Remember, in series circuits, current is constant throughout while voltages add. In parallel circuits, voltage is constant across